What if AI could make learning more personalized, more exciting, and even more secure? It's happening right now in classrooms everywhere, transforming the way we learn. Stick around to see how AI is changing education and keeping us safe in the digital age. Imagine a classroom where every lesson is tailored just for you. In this modern setting, AI-powered tools are revolutionizing education by creating personalized learning experiences for students of all ages. These tools adapt to each student's unique needs, ensuring that everyone gets the most out of their education. From AI tutors that help with homework, providing instant feedback and guidance, to adaptive learning platforms that adjust to each student's pace, making learning more efficient and effective. Technology is transforming how we learn. AI also assists teachers in numerous ways. It can grade papers quickly and accurately, track student progress over time, and even identify students who need extra help, ensuring no one falls behind. This allows teachers to spend more time on what truly matters, engaging with students and delivering high-quality instruction. AI also fosters collaboration among students, enabling them to work together on projects using advanced tools. The integration of AI in education creates a positive and dynamic learning environment where both students and teachers can thrive. As we look to the future, AI will continue to play a crucial role in shaping education, making it more accessible, personalized, and effective for everyone. AI isn't just improving learning, it's also keeping classrooms safe. In today's digital age, the integration of AI in education goes beyond enhancing the learning experience. It plays a crucial role in safeguarding the digital environment of schools. Cybersecurity is more important than ever, and AI is here to protect sensitive student data. With the increasing amount of personal and academic information stored online, the need for robust security measures has never been greater. AI-powered systems monitor networks, detect potential threats, and prevent cyber attacks before they can cause harm. These intelligent systems continuously analyze data traffic, identify unusual patterns, and respond to potential security breaches in real time. It's like having a digital bodyguard for your school's data. This digital guardian ensures that students and educators can focus on learning and teaching without worrying about the safety of their information. AI is revolutionizing education, transforming the way we learn and teach. From personalized learning experiences to intelligent tutoring systems, AI is making education more accessible and engaging for everyone, and keeping us safe online. With advanced cybersecurity measures, AI helps protect our data and privacy, ensuring a secure digital environment for students and educators alike. What's the coolest AI tool you've seen in the classroom? Is it an AI-powered tutor, a smart grading system, or perhaps an interactive learning app? Drop it in the comments below. We'd love to hear your experiences and thoughts on how AI is shaping your educational journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing tech insights. Stay updated with the latest trends and innovations in the world of AI and education. And hey, why not share your favorite AI fact in the comments? Whether it's a fun trivia or a groundbreaking discovery, your insights can inspire others.